Good morning, Research Medical Center. It's Julie Filbeck, your Chief Nursing Officer, here again for Stroll with your Nursing O. Today, I'm going to welcome Jessie to join us. So, Jessie, you want to introduce yourself?
Yeah, my name's Jessie. I've been at Research for almost 4 years. It'll be in May. And I am a staff nurse and a fill-in charge nurse on 4 North, 4 Central.
Awesome. All right, Jessie, you ready to start strolling with me?
Ready.
Okay, here is your first question. What is the most daring thing you've ever done in your life?
Oh gosh, when I was in middle school, I guess my friends and I would go to this rope swing, like back in the woods behind our house, like over the Blue River. So that wasn't that crazy, but it was fun.
Actually kind of sounds like a lot of fun.
Yeah.
And it makes me think about summer, which right now I could really use that.
Yeah,
I'm gonna be honest with you. Okay, so tell me, who is your favorite department in the hospital to collaborate with?
Ooh, I mean, CVPR gives us all of our procedural patients, and I know they've been a new startup, so that's been going well. They're very helpful when we have, no bed availability at one time. They're willing to help us kind of keep patients, so they've been great to us.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
Glad to hear that.
Yeah.
I love that. That's fun. Okay. What's the best advice you've ever received from somebody at work?
I think a respiratory therapist, when I first started, told me to kind of work in a department that would be busy, challenging, fulfilling, something like she said, while you're young and are able to have a lot of energy, to work somewhere that's going to challenge you a lot. And I feel like that's the best advice because I've learned so much.
That's
working on 4
awesome.
North.
Well, and I think about 4 North so often, and it's like the patient population that you see, you really get a variety of everything.
It's everything, which is great.
Which is, I think, also just really cool.
Yep.
Okay. So, who's getting you in trouble at work? Who up there on the 4th floor is always the one that's honoring and getting you into trouble? Because I can think of a few, by the way.
I have one, Jessica Kavner. She works in CVPR. She also fills in, like she comes in resources and stuff. I tell you, when the two of us get together, game over.
Everybody better watch out. That's all I'm saying. Yep. By the way, she was one of those on my list. I'm like, always know. Okay. How about a nickname that nobody knew you ever had?
Oh, I feel like you knew me when you asked me this one. Jessica Kavner came up with this name.
Even better.
A patient one time called me Myrtle.
Myrtle.
Don't know why. Just random. Asked where Myrtle was, and let me tell you, it's stuck.
It's stuck.
It's stuck.
For how many years now have you been Myrtle from Kavner?
3.
3. Okay.
Yeah,
I'm going to remember that. I'm going to find a name badge for you one day and put Myrtle on it.
I'll embrace it.
Okay. So what keeps you smiling?
Just like here?
Yeah.
I mean, just working with good coworkers. I've always wanted to be a nurse, as cliche as that is. I just feel like I found what I really wanted to do. So I'm just happy to be here.
I love that. That's awesome. All right. So tell me one of those things, right? We always keep learning. One of those things that you wish you would have known then that you really know now. What advice would you give yourself?
I think starting as a nurse, I knew it was going to be challenging. I guess I didn't know how physically taxing nursing can be.
Yeah.
So just kind of pace yourself, be good to yourself inside and out of work, and just know your limits and all that. So
we're not really good at that as nurses. We take care of everybody but ourselves.
Exactly. Yeah.
All right, so we've made it to the coffee shop. So here's my final question for you. What do you love about Research Medical Center that you wish others would know?
Just the learning opportunities this place can give you, and every hospital has this, but it can push you to your limits, but it just teaches you so much, and you can handle it. You can handle anything, really.
That's awesome. I love it here. I love the team members that we work with, so that's great.
Me too.
Well, Jessie, you made it. We're done strolling.
We're done.
So I'm going to treat you to some coffee. Come in here with me,
Thank
okay?
you so much.
Yeah, thank you. All right, Jessie, there you go. Okay, you made it with your stroll. You survived. Thanks so much for joining me today, and thanks for being here at Research.
Thank you.
Thank you. Cheers.